2014 Mood of America survey, a surprisingly low number of respondents said they own life insurance. Mark Cohen, president of Insurance and Retirement Solutions for Lincoln Financial Group, is here to talk about a hidden secret of life insurance, the living benefits. Welcome, Mark.
Thanks, Amanda. Thanks for having me.
Well, thanks for joining the Morning Blend. And let's start out by talking about the Mood of America survey. What are some of the other surprising statistics that you found?
Sure. We found that life insurance owners are more likely to feel prepared for things like retirement, for things like protecting their assets they've worked so hard to earn. In fact, we found that life insurance owners feel more in control of their financial future and in their life in general. You know, studies would say that 8 out of 10 Americans say that folks need life insurance. It's a product they should have. Yet we found that only 50% of our respondents actually own the product.
So where do you think the disconnect is in between people understanding that they need it and actually not signing up for it, and people that understand we need it and they do sign up for it?
Yeah, I think there's a number of reasons. For one thing, people may overestimate the cost of life insurance. In reality, there are many forms of insurance that can be purchased for no more than a few $100s a year. And also, let's face it, people don't like to think about death and therefore may put off buying this very important asset. And finally, and importantly, I'd say that some people may not realize all the various things that life insurance can do in helping them fulfill their needs.
Well, let's talk about that, because oftentimes, like you just mentioned, life insurance is associated with death, but if you can reap some of the benefits right now while you're still living.
Right. There are some of those what I'll call living benefits. Life insurance can be a very tax-efficient and effective way to save and invest. Save and invest for things like supplementing your retirement income or helping to pay college tuition costs or long-term care expenses. And if you're a small business owner, helping you with your succession planning or surviving the loss of a key employee.
So what do people need to do? I'm sure education is a big part of it.
Right. And education can be had through talking with a financial professional that can help you do that. Or we have some websites that can help with tools and information. Those are beachieflifeofficer.com and lincolnforliving.com.
And Mark, what advice do you have for people that are considering looking into a life insurance policy?
Amanda, great question. Well, first off, one size doesn't fit all, so it's important to them to understand their needs and what options are available. And to that end, I'd suggest they find a professional to give them some advice, whether that's a financial advisor, an insurance professional, or a benefit specialist at work. They can help them assess their needs, understand the option, and get the product that's right for them.
Excellent, Mark. Any last words of advice?
I would just tell them again to check out our educational websites, beachieflifeofficer.com and lincolnforliving.com.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for the very important information this morning.
Thanks for having me.
And don't go anywhere on the Morning Blend. We'll be back before you know it.